So in this video, we'll see about the ASEAN and its history, the charters of ASEAN, the members of ASEAN group, and also we'll locate them in the Google Maps. So ASEAN means Association of Southeast Asian Nations. It's a community of opportunities for all. So about ASEAN, we'll see now. The Association of Southeast Asian Nations, or ASEAN, was established on 8th August 1967 in Bangkok, Thailand, with the signing of the ASEAN Declaration that we call as Bangkok Declaration by the founding fathers of ASEAN. That means Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, and Thailand. And Brunei Darussalam joined ASEAN on 7th January 1984. Then afterwards, in 1995, Vietnam have joined, and followed by Laos and Myanmar. And in 1999, Cambodia have joined, and making up what is today the 10 member states of ASEAN. So ASEAN contains 10 member states. So on 8th August 1967, 5 leaders or the foreign ministers of Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, and Thailand. So they have joined and they have kept a meeting, and they have started the ASEAN. So the ASEAN Charter aims at new political commitments at the top level for enhanced commitments, new legal frameworks, between coordination between the countries, and also it will emphasize on the roles of ASEAN foreign ministers and also other initiatives regarding environmental or economical cooperations. Those things are there. So it contains the head of the states or government of ASEAN member states, and it can invite some other nations also to participate in the ASEAN summit as a guest. So ASEAN Coordinating Council, it's established in 2008, and it will prepare meeting, it coordinate, implement the agreements, and it's all about coordination and implementation and task management. So there are some committees also, and we look on Asian member states. The first one is Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. So these are the countries of ASEAN. Now the ASEAN motto is one vision, one identity, one community. It basically emphasizes on organic solidarity between the countries for sustainable living practices and peace and harmony and cooperation. And ASEAN Day is on 8th August. So that is that. There is ASEAN flag also. It represents this, and ASEAN emblem is also there. This represents the stable, peaceful, united, and dynamic ASEAN. The colors of emblem include, you can observe here, blue, red, white, and yellow, which represents the main colors of the state crusts. So those things are there. Next, we'll locate all these ASEAN countries in the Google Maps. So these are the countries of ASEAN. So ASEAN is basically in Southeast Asia. So this is Asia, and this is South, and this is East. So Southeast Asia means these countries are there. So comes as Singapore, Laos, Philippines, Indonesia, Vietnam, Myanmar, Cambodia, Thailand, Malaysia, Brunei. So these things are there. Next, we'll again look at India is here. India is not member of ASEAN. So this is Myanmar. Next, down of Myanmar, there is Laos. And down of Laos, there is Thailand. And down of Thailand, there is Cambodia. And beside Cambodia, there is Vietnam. And down to that, Malaysia is there. And we know that Singapore is there, this down of the Malaysia. And right side of that, Brunei is there. Down of Brunei, Indonesia is there. And south of Indonesia is Indonesian islands are there. And the Philippines is there down of the Taiwan. So here is the Taiwan. It's an island territory. Okay. So which is claimed by China. This is Philippines. So that is all about the ASEAN.